Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to place a bid on eBay. Whether you're new to eBay or just need a quick refresher, I'll guide you through the process step by step to ensure you can confidently bid on your desired item. So grab your device, get comfy, and let's dive in. First things first, you'll need to navigate to ebay.com and log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll want to create one before proceeding. It's free and only takes a few minutes. Logging in not only allows you to place bids, but also to track and manage them easily within your account dashboard. Plus, once you're logged in, you can set up your shipping details, payment preferences, and more, making the entire process smoother. Once logged in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout, especially if it's your first time. Knowing where everything is will save you time and stress. Next, you want to search for the item you're interested in. At the top of eBay's homepage, type in the keywords that best describe what you're looking for into the search bar and hit enter. For example, if you're looking for a vintage camera or rare collectible sneakers, make sure your keywords are as specific as possible. Browse through the listings, paying close attention to the details in each one. It's important to find an auction listing, as this is the format that allows you to bid. If the listing says, "Buy it now," that's not an auction, and you won't be able to place a bid, so keep an eye out for those auction-style listings. Once you've found your desired item, click on it to open the listing. Upon opening the listing, you'll want to carefully review all the details provided. Check the item description to ensure it meets your needs. If it's a used item, be sure to read through the description thoroughly for any signs of wear, damage, or imperfections that may not be visible in the photos. Also, don't forget to look at the seller's rating and feedback. This part is crucial, as it gives you insight into the seller's reliability. A seller with positive reviews is much more likely to provide you with a smooth transaction experience. If a seller has negative feedback or complaints about shipping delays or item conditions, proceed with caution. Assuming everything checks out, you're ready to proceed. Now on the item page, you'll see a button labeled Make Offer or Bid. Click on Make Offer only if that's the option available. In some cases, the seller might offer this option to negotiate the price. But if you're in an auction listing, you'll see the Bid button. Click on Bid to proceed to the next step. This is where you'll be able to enter the amount you're willing to bid. Take your time to think about your bid amount. Don't just rush in. You'll want to bid an amount you're comfortable with, and that reflects the value you perceive in the item. Keep in mind that eBay's bidding system allows you to set a maximum bid, which means eBay will automatically increase your bid for you up to that limit if someone outbids you. So, consider setting a maximum bid that you're comfortable with. Enter your bid into the designated box. Once you've entered your bid amount, go ahead and click on Continue. This step will typically include a confirmation page where you can review your bid before final submission. Double-check your bid amount, the item details, and the auction's closing time to ensure everything is correct. A quick review here can save you from placing an incorrect bid, which could result in frustration later. This step is essential, as it avoids any surprises down the line. Finally, if everything looks good, click on Make Offer or Place Bid to officially submit your bid. Once your bid is placed, you'll receive confirmation, and your bid will register on the auction page. You'll also be able to see your bid in your eBay account's My Bids section. You can then monitor the auction status from your eBay account, and you'll be notified if your bid is exceeded or if you win the auction. You can also opt to have eBay send you notifications through email or the eBay app, keeping you updated in real time as the auction progresses. And there you have it. You're now poised to place a winning bid on eBay. Remember, timing is everything. Be sure to keep an eye on your auction as the close time approaches. Sometimes bidding activity can increase dramatically in the last few minutes, so stay alert. If you're serious about winning, consider setting a maximum bid to ensure you don't miss out on your item. Good luck and happy bidding! Don't forget to check out our other videos for more tips on eBay and online shopping strategies.